Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be replacing negative battery cable on 2015 Chevy Cruze Diesel. This is gonna apply to Chevy Cruzes. It can be diesel or gasoline, made from 2011 and all the way up to 2015. The reason I'm replacing this negative battery cable because it's giving me a lot of electrical issues, such as service traction system message. I have service Stabilitrack and steering vehicle and service steering messages, so all kind of messages. And on top of that I have my infotainment malfunction. GM actually released a special coverage warranty for this to be replaced by GM, but unfortunately for my Chevy Cruze that expired, so I'll have to do it on my own. So the reason why I have all these messages and electrical issues with this Cruze, because the negative battery cable terminal clamp is probably having insufficient crimp at the battery negative terminal. I'm just gonna show you this special coverage that GM released for that problem, and you can see the number here. So this is the brand new negative cable that I got directly from GM, and I'm gonna be replacing it with this old one. So first I'm gonna be removing this 10mm nut. So it looks like this is actually 10mm bolt. So I'm gonna put this on the side. Now we have that removed. So this is the next step. So for that one I'm using 10mm wrench. That's loose enough, so I'm just gonna pull it off. Okay, so I removed that top part from the battery. So the next step is to remove this nut right there. So next I'm gonna be removing this 10mm nut. I'm using 10mm wrench for that. Got it loose. Make sure you don't drop it. Okay, I got it out. This is how it looks like. And now I'm gonna be removing this cable. So I have this lower part of the cable unbolted and just gonna feed it through this plastic, and that's it. It's completely removed. And now it's time to install a brand new cable. So first I'm gonna feed it through here and attach that lower part. So this is the first thing. I'm gonna attach this lower part. Kinda need to bend it a little bit. Make sure it sits all the way. You make sure you feed it through this plastic. Kinda push it in. And now when it's sitting properly, so I'm putting 10mm bolt back on this lower part of the cable. I want to make sure it's properly positioned. so it sits flush. So you see, it's nice, flush. Tighten up this nut. So the bottom part is all good, tightened up. I'm just gonna do the top part. Just put it on the negative battery terminal. Don't forget to put this little cable. Alright, I'm gonna tighten up both of this bolt and that 10mm nut. And now that's all done. So this is all tightened up. So we have 10mm nut right there, 10mm bolt right there, and another 10mm nut right there. It's pretty simple job. Can probably do it in about 5 minutes. If this video was helpful, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.